The OrbitView AlphaShot XL is an integrated product photography studio for capturing small to medium-sized products. The automated studio features a motorized hanging kit with top camera support that allows you to spin and zoom in on the items, while a software-controlled ring light lets you highlight the details of a product. Press a button with predefined functions such as still, 360-degree spin, or a video. There's also a multi-camera rig to help you simultaneously capture many photos and showcase the product from all angles, making your content more informative than ever. The AlphaShot XL wine version is designed specifically to capture glossy objects. With bottle support, an anti-reflection kit, and black and white doors, you can eliminate light reflexes and unwanted reflections. The camera stand lets you keep your camera aligned while smoothly changing its height and distance from the product. Various crafty accessories of AlphaShot XL make the studio highly adaptable. It can be customized to fit the needs of your products, no matter how reflective or see-through they are. Create stunning and interactive visual content with the OrbitView.